Good morning, good morning. Happy Father's Day. So I thought I'll make this video for Father's Day before I go into work. Right? Happy Father's Day. Okay, let me put my face up. Let me focus. Okay. Happy Father's Day to all you awesome daddies out there, right? Happy Father's Day to you. Bless you. Thank you for all you do for your children. You will rip the fruit of your labor, because no good deed goes to waste. You are guiding a soul, you are blessing a soul. What a privilege. What a privilege that is. Happy Father's Day to all you awesome men out there. And for women, there are some women that I'm going to say Happy Father's Day to because I made this message on Mother's Day. I wish all the mothers Happy Mother's Day, right? But I also emphasize on all the men that women have done wrong, abandoned all of those things, and now they have to utilize more of their masculine side, right? Oh no, more of their feminine side. Us women might say, oh, they acting all fruity and gay. Well, we're all spirits, right? We are all spirits. We have male, feminine and masculine energy. The goal in life is for both to become balanced, right? So with that being said, happy, happy Father's Day to those women that have been abandoned by the men. And now they have to rise or raise up their masculine side to play the daddy role, right? So happy Father's Day. We forgive everyone because if we knew better, we would do better. You're not doing for your kids, you're not hurting anybody but yourself. You're not hurting no one but yourself, right? But the creator, the universe know all things. So with that being said, happy Father's Day to all the great, great father out there. Enjoy.